Hi guys, William from Executive Smash Repairs here again. Today I got a great example of a 2017 Range Rover autobiography. If anybody's got a spare 300,000 lying around, this is what it'll get you. Now, this car had some damage to the back. It was pretty superficial damage. The reason I'm doing this video for you guys is to let you guys know that when cars of this caliber are in any sort of minor collision or you have to do any sort of work to these cars, there's a huge bunch of sensors and a lot more electronics involved than what you would normally expect. Now this car, the damage that this car had to the back meant that we had to diagnose a lot of little issues that it had, and unknown to everybody else, we had to replace a really critical sensor that helps with crash avoidance and lane detection. So I've got that sensor in the car for you here. I'll give you guys a quick look at what it looks like and what these sensors actually do. In the meantime, let's take a look in the car and show you a great feature that I love. You notice the side steps. Just a fancy little add-on that this car has. Makes it that much easier to get into the car. Now here's that sensor that I was talking to you about. Wouldn't know that it was ever damaged, but without it the car wouldn't actually function properly. Right? Worth at least a couple of $1,000 this sensor alone. And it makes all the difference. When repairing a car properly, in order to diagnose this stuff, you've got to have the right equipment and the right tools to make sure that it happens, especially on a car like this. Now, if you guys have any questions or any queries in regards to anything else in relation to this or any other type of car for the matter, please feel free to contact us. Thanks, guys.